Hello guys, in this video we learn how to create a Wi-Fi hotspot on Windows. If you've never used command prompt, don't worry, this will be absolutely easy to follow. Open command prompt as administrator by clicking start menu and type cmd. Then right click command prompt and run as administrator. First of all, we need to determine if your network card supports hosted network. One thing to keep in mind is that command prompt does not forgive spelling mistakes. You must spell right or the command will not work. Type this on the command prompt, then press enter. Look for the row with hosted network supported. If it is yes, continue with the setup. If no, then your network could be lacking drivers which you can install, or it is too old to support the feature. Most of the new computers will just do so. Next, choose a name for your network and a password. I will give mine Deno for the name and this password for the password. Then type this command replacing the network name and password with your preferred name and password. The name should not have spaces in between, else use quotation marks for network names with spaces like the example on your screen. Then press enter. If you see these three lines, you have successfully created your network. If you see it's not recognized as an internal or external command, you need to check your spelling. If you get invalid value and a long flow of text, ensure you have spelled correctly and that you don't have spaces in the wrong place, or you have enclosed spaces in the network name with quotation marks. Now we need to start the network and start using it. Type this on the command prompt and press enter. If you need to stop without restarting your computer, replace start with stop in the previous command. For those allergic to command prompt and may not remember the command, open Notepad and type this command. We need to save it in a slightly different way so that we can use it to start the hotspot. Click save and type quotation mark, give it a name. I'll give mine start hotspot. Then type .bat after the name, then type quotation marks again and click save. I will do the same for stop. Now, with this file, I'll just need to right click and run as administrator to start my hotspot. I can check if the hotspot has already started with the show command on the command prompt. You can then use this network to share files, run your media server if you don't have a router, or share mobile internet or internet from LAN. To share internet from LAN network over your hotspot, go to control panel, then network and internet. If you have all the control panel items, just go to network and sharing center. Then click change adapter settings. You will see your hotspot as a local area connection. Right click and go to properties, and then in the tab sharing, check this box to allow other users to connect to internet via your hotspot. Choose the network interface with the internet connection. Mine is Ethernet 2. Then click OK. Your network should now show it is shared. I will unshare mine since I do not need it shared. You have successfully created a hotspot on your laptop and also shared your internet connection to other users. This can be handy for places without a router or where you have only one point of internet connection. If you are running Windows 10, you do not have to go through the pain of using the command prompt to create a hotspot. You can easily do so via the settings menu. Network and internet, then on the left side pane, go to mobile hotspot. Toggle the share internet connection switch on, then choose the internet connection and the sharing route, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. The rest of the settings are straightforward. Note, however, that this hotspot cannot be switched on without an active internet connection to share. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tutorials.